Hey everyone, it's Diablo Killer 124, and finally, after almost a month and a half, well, less than a month and a half, I'm finally back to tutorials. My laptop crashed, so I lost everything, and I finally decided yesterday to do all of my tutorials and follow them and see where it took me. So I followed every single one of them, even the one that didn't have audio, and I found it pretty easy, but I did talk a lot. I really noticed that. So I'm gonna try to plan out a little more what I'm gonna do for the most part, and I'm gonna try to keep talking to a minimum. Well, not a minimum, because I like to talk, of course, but I noticed I say random things. Like in one of them, I said my birthday was a couple weeks ago. I don't even know. And then in a different one, I just said like I don't remember, but yeah. So I'm just gonna try to keep talking to a minimum, and I'm just gonna try to get to the point fast, and yeah. So in this tutorial, I made this yesterday when I started doing the tutorials. So I found some possible major problems. Um, I said possible because having a username cookie only, if you know how to edit cookies, you could change your cookie to instead of Andrew Wren, you could change it to like um, Andrew Wren 1, and then you'd be logged in as him instead. So I was thinking we should have it set more than just that cookie, and we should also have it set a password cookie. And this password cookie, it won't be your password because that could be potentially unsafe. But instead, we're going to be setting something else up in the database, which we're going to do right now. So come over to PHP MyAdmin, localhost / PHP MyAdmin. And I noticed you hear a lot of background noises from my computer. I thought it was funny because it just went off again and I don't even know what it was. This computer's kind of laggy. I don't know what's taking so long. It's never done this before. I'm just gonna pause it till it loads. Okay, so right when I paused it, it loaded, but just go to your PHP tutorial database and go to users. And we're gonna add a new line into the structure called a past hash, I think. Yeah. So we're gonna add it we're gonna add it at the end of the table. So I'm just gonna hit go, which I just did. Okay, and the field will be pass underscore hash, and the type will be we'll make it text, and then the length / values we won't have that, and then that's it. I'm just gonna hit save. Now we're going to come over to PHP Designer. And when they log in, if they have a cookie, we're not going to worry about sessions. We're going to do set cookie right after the first one, and we're going to set this cookie, and this cookie is going to be named pass ID. Just, we'll actually name it pass hash. Oops. And then string value will be MD5 password. So I guess we'll still be doing the password, but it's going to be MD5ing the password again, so it'll be an MD5 of an MD5, which will make it a little more safer to put in. It's going to be MD5 password, and then expire will be same time this one expires. So I'm just going to copy it and paste it in here. I tried doing everything the same way I did it on the first one, but I did edit a little things, and I'm not really going to mention them because for the most part, I just changed some words around and stuff. Yeah. So I'm just going to erase one of those H's, and I'm going to save it. And when we come to log in, we're going to have to insert into users. Oh. Okay. Since we're going to be just doing MD5 of password, save that and then come to register.php. And then where we have insert into users, right after password, we'll do pass hash. And then after password over here, we'll do MD5 password. Just like that. And I'll end that. Save it, and hopefully when we register it works out. So that means I'm going to have to delete my... Oh, an error. And of course it doesn't show it. Values. Ah. I can't tell what the error is. And it's not responding, of course. Okay, unexpected parenthesis. Oh, okay. That should be right now. Okay, now I'm going to save it. And hopefully when we register, it'll do that. Let's go back to login.php and take a look at this. So it's going to set the cookie pass hash, and we're going to come to our functions. And if session username, return true. Oops, and I'm going to delete this. We don't need to say that anymore. And on the cookie, we're going to do cookie, what is it? Pass hash. Return true. Otherwise, return false. Actually, we will do cookie or session pass hash. Hopefully that'll just make it a little safer. Also, we do need to do some checking, so we'll have to do and pass hash equal, and then we'll have to get the password. So when we have function logged in, we will do. Okay, so we're gonna. Okay, never mind. So I just copied the and cookie equals or session equals pass hash, and I'm gonna take it down here, because we are going to get. So we're gonna set username equals session username. So we're just having that set really quick, and then we are going to do res equals MySQL query select all from users where ID equals or where username equals username, and then row equals MySQL fetch assoc res, and now we will do if row pass hash equals session pass hash, then we can return true. Else we are going to return false, because that means the password does not match, or the pass hash doesn't match, and that means there could be someone could be trying to get into their account. And now I'm just gonna copy all of this, and I'm gonna paste it, and I'm gonna change session to cookie, and I'm gonna erase this pass hash over here, and I'm gonna do if row pass hash cookie, and I'm out of time. I'll see you guys next time.